Hello to everyone. You are all welcome to Time with Esther's Kitchen. That's my YouTube name. Please go to YouTube and subscribe to Time with Esther's Kitchen, and also you follow me on Facebook and TikTok as Esther Fosu. Good morning, good afternoon to each and everyone. This afternoon we are going to prepare spinach stew. So without wasting much of your time, I have my oil. I have my red oil. I'm using red oil for my spinach stew. I'm using red oil for my spinach stew. So this is my red oil. I'm waiting for a while. Please, when you come, you like, you comment. Yasmin, Sister Yasmin, good afternoon. Please, how are you doing? Please, how are you doing? Good afternoon. Thank you very much for coming. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Happy Sabbath. Good afternoon. Please, how are you doing? Hi, sister. I am fine, thank you. And you? Hello, John. Good afternoon. Please, how are you? Please, when you come, you write something, okay? You like, you comment. Hello, Marco. Be cooking. Jido. Miss Chelsea. Ken. Lady Jane. Tommy. Good afternoon. Please, how are you all doing? Thank you very much for coming. Jennifer, AKM, thank you. Masila, good afternoon. Amma, good afternoon. Big G, good afternoon. Amasewa, good afternoon. Tika, good afternoon. So this is what we are preparing this afternoon. Islam, good afternoon. Please, how are you? Happy Sabbath to each and everyone. Please, when you come, you like, you comment, okay? Please. So I'm using my catfish first. So this is my catfish. Islam, good afternoon. Please, how are you? MD Jar Holson, good afternoon. Thank you guys for joining in. Thank you. Mavis, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Guys, thank you very much for joining in. Please, how are you? God is great. How are you? Kadra, Mohammed, good afternoon. Father Rida, good afternoon. Please, how are you? Thank you very much for joining in. Islam, good afternoon. Please, how are you? Thank you guys for coming. After adding my saltfish, I'll add my chopped onions. Remember, this is spinach stew. Spinach stew. Ahad, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath to each and everyone. Thank you very much for joining in. Thank you. Please, when you come, you like, you comment, you share, okay? Please. Spicy, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Little girl, good afternoon. Annie, good afternoon. Lisbeth, good afternoon. Emmanuel, good afternoon. Regina, good afternoon. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for joining. You are all welcome to Time with Esther's Kitchen. This afternoon we are making spinach stew. So these are the ingredients that I'm using. I'm using onions, red bell pepper, fresh tomatoes, yeah. MD Holson. MD Moshsin, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath to each and everyone. Adam, good afternoon. Mariana, good afternoon. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for joining in. Mr. T, hello. Good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining in, everyone. Please, when you come, you like, you comment, okay? Jess, thank you very much for following me. What are we cooking today? Hello, Mr. T. Today is spinach stew. Spinach stew. Happy Sabbath. Roy, good afternoon. I am fine, thank you. MD Mia, thank you very much for coming, guys. Thank you. Happy Sabbath. Thank you, guys. We are cooking spinach stew today. This recipe is very simple and delicious. You can take only 20 minutes to prepare this. So after a while, I will add my red paprika. Yeah, bell pepper. Oh, my favorite. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. I like what you are doing. Please, when you come, you comment, okay? You comment for me. MD, good evening. Please, how are you? How are you? Roy, wow, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Thank you very much for asking. Thank you. Please, my dear TikTokers, please, when you come, you like, you comment, okay? The name is Time with Esther's Kitchen. That's my YouTube name. And Facebook is Time with Esther's Kitchen. Shaheen, good afternoon. Please, how are you? Happy Sabbath. Happy Sabbath. It's time for me to add my blended ginger, garlic, onions. Again, as I said, if you want your food to taste good, add in more onions. And the onions are going to do the magic for you. Abdul, happy Sabbath. Please, how are you? Shaheen, I'm fine, thank you. Please, how are you too? Please, how are you too? Take love, sweetheart. Hello, Joe. Good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Oh, the name of this menu is spinach stew. This is the spinach. Adam, good afternoon. Please, how are you? Happy Sabbath. Hope you are fine. Hope you have a lovely day. Thank you very much, Isabella. Thank you very much. And you too. And you too. And you too. After 5 minutes of adding my blended ginger garlic, I will then add my fresh tomatoes. Shahinda, happy Sabbath. Nura, happy Sabbath, happy Sabbath. Hello, my dear brother. Oh, I got the number 3 gifter. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Bilonie. Thank you very much, sweetheart. Thank you. Thank you for your gift. Oh, wishing to eat your cooking. Thank you very much. Thank you. Very soon I'm going to add my eggs. Isabella, thank you very much. Follow the live. Thank you very much, Isabella. Thank you for your comment. Oh, Bilonie, thank you very much, sweet brother. Thank you for liking. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please, my dear TikTokers, please, when you come, you like, okay? You like for me. I'm using Facebook and TikTok. Yusef, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Please, how are you? How are you? Sajaida, I am fine, thank you, sister. Please, how are you too? How are you too? Oh, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the love. Good evening, sister. Good evening. Please, how are you? Happy Sabbath. I'm using 5 eggs for this. So I'm going to break this eggs. This is my eggs. I'm going to stir this together. Then we'll add this. MD Rooney, good afternoon, please. How are you? Thank you very much for coming. Risa, good afternoon, please. How are you? Happy Sabbath to each and every one. Today I'm not going to take much of your time. I'm not going to take much of your time. Kola, good afternoon. Please, how are you? Please, how are you? Thank you for following me, okay? Jess, thank you very much. Thank you. Janet. Janet's Kitchen. Happy Sabbath. Please, how are you? Begon. Good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. So beautiful life. Thank you very much, MD, for your compliment. Juma. Good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Oh, Kola. Thank you very much. I'm good, love. We thank God for our lives. We thank God for our lives. This is our recipe for today. I'm going to wash this very nicely. Then we'll add it to my Amanda, share the live. Thank you very much, sweetheart. Thank you so much. Loving. Good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Happy Sabbath. Kola, share the live. Thank you very much. Isabella. Thank you. My dear brother, good afternoon. Ayiye mom, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Family, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Happy Saturday to each and everyone. Julina, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. It's time for me to add my spinach. MD, yummy, thank you very much. Sending love, thank you. Good evening. Please, how are you? using a lot of spinach today, so I have to wash the second one as well. Islam, happy Saturday, happy Saturday. Fozia, good afternoon, happy Sabbath to each and everyone. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my live. I'm very grateful to each and everyone. I'm going to cover this for some minutes and the vapor is going to do the magic for me. Tahim, happy Sabbath to each and everyone. Raman, happy Sabbath. Hello, sweet brother upon Ebenezer. Good afternoon, happy Sabbath. Please, how are you? I hope you are doing well by the grace of God. Thank you for joining. As I said earlier, today I'm not going to take much of your time, okay? I'm not going to take much of your time. All right, sweetheart, I'm waiting for you, okay? You are on your way coming. I'm waiting for you. Eugene, good afternoon. Happy Saturday. Oh, sweetheart, I started on TikTok. I think it's 3 days today because I started on Thursday, Friday, and today is Saturday. I've been on TikTok, but I wasn't doing TikTok live. But I started Thursday. So from now onwards, every day I will do live here on TikTok every day. I am new to TikTok, so unless you explain it to me, okay, sweetheart? Yeah, so from today, every day, I will come live. Thank you for your compliment. Josh Him, good afternoon. Mama, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath to each and everyone. Hasina, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Please, how are you all doing? It's time for me to stir this. Dimano, good afternoon. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Please, how are you doing? Please, how are you? Shana, good afternoon. Happy Saturday. Happy Sabbath. Please, how are you? This is my spices for today. Bay leaf. Hello, Rini. Good afternoon. Please, how are you? Happy Sabbath to you. Thank you very much for coming. Please, how are you? Bora, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Riza, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Chris, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath to each and everyone. Thank you for joining in, guys. TikTok, I'm very grateful. Charlie, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Angel, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Please, when you come, you like, you comment, okay? Please, when you come, you like, you comment. Irene, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Harry, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath to each and every one. This is my spices for today. I got basil and turmeric. This is it. I'm going to add it. If you are not a fan of turmeric, you just leave it. Juliana, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Please, how are you? Thank you for joining in. Taste of Africa, thank you for joining in. Happy Sabbath. Please, how are you? Lane, happy Sabbath. Please, how are you? Islam, happy Sabbath. Please, how are you? We got few minutes to go. We got less than 20 minutes to go. MD Shabo, good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Thank you very much for joining in. Juliana, thank you very much for coming. Akwesi, good afternoon. Thank you very much for joining in. Osha, Good afternoon. Thank you very much for joining in. Please, when you come, you like, you comment, okay? Please. Me pa cho ba so a no wa like no wa share amami. Why? Hello, sweetheart. Hello, Hossein. Thank you very much for giving me 20 stars. I'm very grateful. Thank you. Good afternoon. Happy Sabbath. Thank you very much for giving me 20 stars. I'm very grateful. Love you. Mwah. Maxine, thank you very much for joining in. Thank you very much for joining in. Please, when you come, you comment, you like, okay? Islam, good afternoon. Hi, says. Please, how are you? Happy Saturday. Happy Sabbath. I am fine, thank you. Please, how are you too? Thank you for enjoying my life. Thank you for enjoying my life. Thank you. So I'm waiting for 5 minutes, then we'll add my mackerel and sardine to this stew. I'm not going to take much of your time today. Jim Holson, thank you very much for giving me 20 stars. I'm very grateful. Thank you. We got less than 20 minutes to go. We got less than 20 minutes to go. Me patwa kaka krebi na yewie. Why? Kaka krebi. Islam. We thank God for our lives. We thank God for our lives. Bura. Good afternoon. Happy Saturday. Please, how are you? Happy Sabbath. Lisbeth, thank you very much for joining in. Thank you very much for joining in. I wish you were here to taste this food. A spinach stew. Islam, spinach stew. Love you more, sweetheart. Love you more. Love you more. I'm using 2 mackerel and 1 sardine. So very soon I'm going to add this. And I love you so much, sweetheart. Thank you, Hossein. Love you more. Thank you for your gift. I'm very grateful. So cute, beautiful cook sister. Thank you very much. Thank you for your compliment. Thank you. Oh, thank you for the love. Josie, thank you for the love. My dear brother, you are back again. Thank you so much for coming back. The only billionaire. Raja, happy Sabbath. Please, how are you? Please, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Thank you for asking. I am fine, thank you. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. So beautiful. Thank you very much for your compliment. Yes, on Facebook. Yes. Sweet sister, Islam, you are right. Super cute girl. Thank you very much, sweetheart. Thank you very much for your compliment. Sweet, thank you very much for your love. Thank you very much for your love. Mwah. Pratom, happy Sabbath. Please, how are you? Please, how are you? And on Facebook here, everyone here is very active and supportive. Please follow everyone here. Everyone here is very active and supportive, okay? Please follow our brother, Hosen. Yeah, he is very active and supportive. Please follow him for me, okay? He is very active and supportive. After this live, I'm going to put his page on my page so that you follow him for me. If you want more stars, he is very active. My brother Hosen, yeah, Morijam Hosen. Please follow him for me. He is very active and supportive. Ruth, good afternoon. Please, how are you? Rihanna, thank you for following me. Thank you. I'm very grateful. Oh, sweet brother, I thank you for the love. I know you're going to love it for me. You're going to like it for me. Thank you. My dear TikTokers, if you don't like it, I'm not coming here again because I'm always on Facebook, okay? Masuma, Platon, hello, please, how are you? Happy Sabbath. Mia, good afternoon, happy Sabbath. Super cook. Yes. I've taken the title super cook, yes. I'm always cooking. We got 15 minutes to go. 15 minutes to go, yeah, guys. Please, when you come, you like, you comment. Me pa choba so no wa like, no wa share, no wa comment ya mami. Why? Juvie, good afternoon. Please, how are you? Happy Sabbath. Happy Sabbath. Please, how are you doing? Please, how are you doing? Please, you can follow everyone here. Everyone here is very active and supportive. Please do on Facebook. The name is Time with Esther's Kitchen. YouTube, Time with Esther's Kitchen. TikTok, Esther Ofosu. So please, I have 3: TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Jidora B, good afternoon, happy Saturday. Thank you for joining in. You are welcome to Time with Esther's Kitchen. Thank you very much for joining in. Thank you, my dear brother. Love you. Mwah. It's time for me to add all my mackerel and sardine. Love you more, love you more. Mwah. It's time for me to add all my mackerel. I'm using 2 mackerel and 1 sardine. Mix these 2 together and you're going to love the end results. Mackerel and sardine, mix them together and you're going to love it. This food will be delicious. Yes, it is. I wish you were here to taste it. So delicious. Thank you very much. Julito, thank you very much. I can smell your cooking even from so far away. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. Roy, good afternoon. Happy Saturday. Please, how are you? How are you doing? So this is our recipe for today. Spinach stew. Spinach stew. Write it on the comment section what you're going to enjoy this stew with. Write it on the comment section what you're going to enjoy this stew with. I'm going to enjoy this stew with yam. Yam. Abina, good afternoon. Please, how are you? Rice or yam? Alright, sweet brother. Yes, rice or yam. Yay, vegan. Good afternoon. Amazing cooking there. Thank you very much for coming. Please, how are you? Please, how are you? Thank you very much for coming. Sister, please, food. Alright. I will, okay? I will. Don't worry, sweetheart. Oh, 5K likes in the making. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you. Robert, good afternoon. Happy Saturday. Thank you very much for joining in. So guys, we got 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes to go because our spinach is almost done. Amazing life. Thank you very much, my dear sister. Thank you. Spinach stew. Spinach stew. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much, sweet sister. Thank you very much. Frema, good afternoon. Please, how are you? Thank you very much for joining in. Sue, thank you very much for joining in. Me ma obibia akwa ba ewo me life way so time with Esther's kitchen. Me da was se we say umre na wa ha say na mi shra pa me da se bebre ene aduane am ye kontom spinach is the same as kontom re yeah. Rama, thank you for joining in. Lady Love, thank you for joining in. Oh, 2 gifter. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you for your gift. Thank you for your gift. Thank you very much for your gift. Abina, thank you very much. Gifted badge. Thank you. No, a spinach stew. Spinach stew. Spinach stew. So this is what we prepared today. Thank you for the like, sister. Everyone comment fast. Happy Sabbath, dear. Love you very much, dear sister. Love you more. Love you more. MD Mia, thank you very much. Please support me. Please, 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 everyone, please. If you have not followed anyone here on Facebook, please do, because everyone on here is very active and supportive. Follow everyone here, and please, if the person follows you, follow the person back and be active on the person's page, please. Spinach stew, yes, yes, brother. Spinach stew. So we got 3 minutes to go. Rate it and let's go. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on, yeah. Come on, come on, come on, yeah. Genia, good afternoon. Thank you very much for coming. Happy Saturday. Happy Sabbath. I'm coming to take some of my stew. I'm coming to take some of my stew for you to see the recipe for today. Guys, how are you going to rate this? Rate it and let's go, because our time is almost up. This is spinach stew. Spinach stew. Tell me, write it on the comment section what you're going to enjoy this with. You're going to enjoy this with. You can enjoy this stew with any food of your choice. 10 over 10. My sweet brother Billionaire, thank you very much. 10 over 10. So Facebook, how are you going to rate this stew? Rate it and let's go. Rate it. 10 over 10, yeah. So, if it's 10 over 10, then thank you very much, guys, for your time, your support. I'm very grateful to each and every one. Very, very grateful to each and every one. Wow. Let's check it out. Looking so much delicious. Thank you very much, sister. This. Thank you very much. As I said earlier, we got a minute. So thank you very much for your time. May God bless each and every one. It's my prayer that whatever that you are asking from God, God will do it for you in Jesus' name. Follow Esther. Thank you very much. YouTube, TikTok is Esther. Facebook is Time with Esther's Kitchen. Time with Esther's Kitchen. Time with Esther's Kitchen, and TikTok is Esther, and YouTube is Time with Esther's Kitchen, Facebook Time with Esther's Kitchen. Thank you so much, guys, for your gift, for your love. I'm very grateful to each and every one. May God bless you all. This is the end of my spinach stew. See you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. My dear Facebook, if you have not followed anyone here, do, because everyone here is very active and supportive. Tanzala, good afternoon. You are late. Our life is almost coming to an end. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate each and every one. Me patro me da obi bia ase. E wo mre wo time wa da agye a wo say maami. O gift a wo de maami nyame onhura obi bia. Nyame adoma e chuna kwesieda. And now 1st February. Today is the beginning of the month, 1st February, and we thank God for how far he has brought us. We are still counting. We know God will see us through, and we are going to see 2026. Love you all. Thank you very much. MD Rana, thank you very much for coming. Thank you. Love you all. God bless each and every one. See you in my next video. Bye. Have a wonderful day. We will meet tomorrow again and prepare a different food. Love you all. Mwah, mwah. Bye to each and every one.